Water flows through a pipe at a rate of 3 gallons per minute. Which of the following is the same rate? Well, I noticed that they went from minute to second. So I'm going to create a chart that helps me move from minutes to seconds. I've made my chart with gallons on the left, minutes in the middle, and seconds on the right. 3 gallons in 1 minute, and 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds. Now I've reduced my chart to 3 gallons in 60 seconds, since 60 seconds is the same as 1 minute. Since all our answer choices are per second, we need to get 60 seconds down to just 1 second. So 60 seconds divided by 60 equals 1 second. Since we divided the seconds column by 60, making it 60 times smaller, we also have to divide the gallons section by 60, making it 60 times smaller. 3 gallons divided by 60 is the same as 3 over 60. And 3 over 60 is the same as 1 over 20, because 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 60 divided by 3 equals 20. 1/20th of a gallon flows in 1 second. Now I noticed that 1/20th of a gallon isn't any of our choices. 1/20th is the same as 1 divided by 20. 1/20th, or 1 divided by 20, equals 5/100ths, or 0.05. 1 divided by 20 would be the same as 3 divided by 60. So 3 divided by 60, or 3 over 60, also equals 5/100ths. 3 gallons per minute is the same rate as 5/100ths gallons per second. So I would select A, 5/100ths gallons per second.